Hey guys, so today's video is going to be this makeup look right here. It's like a wintry red lip type of look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see how to get this makeup look, just keep on watching. Hey guys, so I'm going into the Makeup Revolution SophX palette in this shade right here with just a Morphe brush. I'm just going to be blending this all over the crease. I'm now just going to go into this shade using the same brush and just putting this all over the crease like the last shade, just kind of focusing it more on the outer corners. Now I'm going to go into this warm kind of purpley shade with a Morphe brush. This brush doesn't have a name, but I'm just kind of deepening the outer corners. I'm now going into this dark brown shade and with the same brush doing the exact same thing as with the last shade. Now just going into this lighter shade, it's like a shimmer. I'm just putting this all over the lid with my finger. I'm taking the Catrice Cosmetics HD Liquid Coverage Foundation in 010, and I'm just putting this onto a flat brush and just blending this all over my face. I'm taking a damp beauty blender, this one's from Real Techniques, and I'm just blending the foundation more. For concealer, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Concealer and Define Concealer, and this one is in C1. And I'm just putting this under my eyes and everywhere you put concealer. I'm now going into the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. This one is in 10, which is Fair Light, and I'm using a Morphe brush here just to set under my eyes, and then I'm just going into the Beauty Blender and just using that to set my eyes instead of a brush, just because I like the finish better. For bronzer, I'm using the Physicans Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Bronzer, and I'm using a Real Techniques Multitask Face Brush and just bronzing my face with this. I took the Tarte Clay Blush in Parrrty, and I'm using a Luxie brush to apply this. I'm not sure why I didn't show the blush, but I didn't, but that's what I'm using. I'm using the e.l.f. Baked Highlighter in Moonlight Pearls, and just on an angle, fluffy type of brush, I'm just applying this. I'm not sure why I didn't show the highlighter either on this one, but I didn't. I'm taking a smaller brush, and with the same highlighter, I'm just highlighting my brow bone and then my inner corner highlight. I'm using this highlight too. I'm now going into the Smashbox X-rated mascara. I'm using this Morphe lip liner. It is kind of like a darker red type of shade. That's why I used it, because I'm using a red lipstick. lips, I'm going into the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick in Los Angeles, and it is kind of like a red shade. Yeah, I'm putting this on. Okay guys, and this finishes this makeup look, kind of like this winter red lip type of makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what type of videos you guys would like to see, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!